Welcome, friends! Your favorite degenerates, Krista and Jason, are at it again! Let's celebrate the day!
What's the situation, Degenerate Nation?
What's happening, degenerates?
Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah,
Happy
whatever you celebrate.
Ho. Ho.
We decided we would do a shot.
I like shots.
We're going to do a candy cane shot.
It's super yummy, too.
And it's really easy. It's
Right?
a half ounce of peppermint schnapps, a half ounce of cream de cacao, and a half ounce of Irish cream, or an ounce of Irish cream. So real easy. Pour it all in a 2-ounce or a shot glass. Rim it with a candy cane that I've smashed. I will warn you, the candy cane absorbs moisture. So if you're anywhere where it's not dry, don't expect your smashed candy cane to hold up for very long before it becomes a gummy mess in whatever you've stored it in. Try a Ziploc or something like that. So to rim the glass, I'm going to use honey. Give it a little coating of, how's that? Pretty cool, huh?
I did it.
Sorry, dear.
That's okay. I'm just trying to pour a mix and...
Nice little rim job here. Huh? How's that?
You said rim job. You're so naughty.
It's not much to look at, but it's nuts on.
It's
candy
super
cane.
yummy. Super yummy.
Now, we like the Irish cream with the whiskey in it, so if whatever Irish cream you got laying around, it's all good. Enjoy.
Yeah, I like Michael's Irish cream. It's a little bit cheaper than Bailey's, and I think it's better than Bailey's.
Yeah, you get what you get. It looks like an after-dinner coffee. And there you go. Cute, right?
Super cute!
Cheers.
Cheers! That's so nummy!
It's like a creamy candy cane.
I'm spitting candy cane all over. Can't take me anywhere.
Nope. Been doing it a long time, though.
That is super yummy.
Yeah.
Oh, you got candy cane on you. Oh, it's in your beard too, honey. It's just candy cane everywhere. It's a candy cane fiasco!
It's a candy cane shot, so...
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
So
is
anyway,
good.
from us to Degenerate Nation, wherever you're at, whatever you celebrate, happy holidays. I hope you have a good one.
Yes. I hope
From us
you
to
are
you.
blessed with riches and cruises and Caribbean and anything your heart desires.
Happy holidays, Degenerate Nation. Celebrate the day.
Celebrate the day.
Thanks for watching! Much love to our friends! Be the good in the world! Spread the love and go on an adventure! Please like, comment, and subscribe.